So questions and answers continued. What is the theme of the poem? Theme of the poem we have seen. An ordinary person is summoned, S-U-M-M-O-N-E-D, summoned by the muse of poetry to become a poet. The making of a poet. That is the theme. Second question, answers are given. What are the expressions to show that to express the inspired moments of the poets? In the poem we will find heaven unfastened and open. Heavens unfastened and open, drunk with the great starry void, veiled with the stars. So these are the expressions representing the inspired moments of the poet. And third is, the tone of the poem is ecstatic. Ecstatic means very high spirits and great happiness. What we say, euphoria, sometimes we say euphoria. E-U-P-H-O-R-I. Ecstatic. Ecstasy. That means great happiness. Understand? Ecstasy. For this, examples for alliteration. Alliteration means repetition of initial consonants of nearby words in a line or a phrase. For example, we have here started in my soul. See, repetition of S. Started in my soul. Second example is first faint line. F. F is repeated first, F is repeated again. And third is, example is palpitating plantations. Palpitating plantations. P repeated. Another example is pure parks. P repeated. Consonant sounds are repeated. In the adjacent words or nearby words, adjacent, A-D-J, adjacent, A-D-J-A-C-E-N-T, adjacent, means nearby. And veiled with the stars, veiled with the that sound. Fire and flowers, F. So repetition of consonant sounds nearby words in a line or a phrase also it can be. For a fire and flowers it's a phrase. So F repeated. I think that is clear to you. Next question is, what are the visual images? Visual images means when see, for example, violent fires is an example. When you read that, you see in front of you violent fires. Image, a picture. Word pictures, you can say, word pictures. Heavens unfastened, heavens opened. Word pictures. Means you create the effect of a picture by using words. It's called visual images. Palpitating plantations. You find vibrating plantations. Fire and flowers. Planets. When you say planets, that comes in your mind's eye. Eyes were blind. Then winding night. The night coming to an end. Universe. So these are all what you call visual images in the poem. I think all these questions have been answered. You are very happy with my answers, I hope. So we will pass on to the next and the last lecture, that is soon, that is tomorrow or in the near future. Till we meet again, bye. Have a nice time. Take care.